back on the Z. Alright everyone, today I wanted to do just a quick video on the Z. I've gotten this question a lot. It seems to be a pretty common question for these size bikes, and that is whether it can handle the highway or not. And we'll hop on the highway here in a second just to give you guys a look on how it holds up on the highway. And at the end of the day, that's really going to depend on kind of where you live and what the speed limit on those highways are. For instance, I'm kind of living in a little bit more rural area, I guess you call it. In my city, all the highways really are 55. Now if you get, you know, like if you get like 8 or 10 miles out, it eventually turns into a 70. But like I go to work every single day on that highway for about 6 miles, and it's a 55, and I do absolutely fine. So I think if you're on a 55, you're golden. However, I think if you're going on like a straight up freeway where it gets to be like 70, 75, or really anything over 60 probably, I try to avoid. And also there's always this tool in your phone's maps, or at least the iPhone maps, hit directions, and you can do highways and you can turn them on to avoid highways there, and it'll get you another route. So I mean, that's always like 2 hour, oh that's highways required, avoids highways right here, shows you the map that avoids highways. But so that's always a tool if you're riding something like this. But anyways, let's go hop on the highway and show you all some footage of me riding along. Alright, so here we are hopping on the highway. Like I said, it's only a 55. We don't even really have 70-mile-an-hour highways here until you're actually getting like out of the city. Then this eventually will turn into 70, but here we go. Comfortable 60 miles an hour. I'm pinned, of course, but she's holding about 59, 60 pretty easy. And I'm not losing the cars in front of me too bad or anything, or I don't have anyone coming up fast behind me. So yeah, at the end of the day, it really just depends where you are, what kind of highways we're talking here. I think it does just fine on the 55-mile-an-hour highways and holds its ground just fine. I don't feel unsafe really at all. But now if you get onto the 70-mile-an-hour stuff or 65-mile-an-hour stuff, I can see how that'd get a little sketchy. All right, well, I got to get some gas here, and that's going to about do it for this video. I just wanted to get out there and make a quick video, and like we said, it pretty much came to the conclusion that 55-mile-an-hour roads you're absolutely good for, but the 70, 65, 70-mile-an-hour ones are probably going to be a bit sketchy. But at the end of the day, I guess possible, but probably not what you're going to be wanting to do. But be sure to subscribe and drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll be back with you guys in the next video.